Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to edit drop-down lists in your Excel, how to add them in the first place, and how to keep editing them. So, first of all, let's make, for example, a drop list. So, how we can do that? Let's say now that some people get paid in our company and some other didn't get paid. How we can actually do that? Let's make another row. Let's name it. Let's go here and make it black. Let's add a text, white text. So it's gonna be something like that. Uh, statue, something like that. So I will make it around this, and I will make it somehow like so. Now I will select all of these columns and then go to data, data validation, and click on the first one. Here I will use this any value and make it a list. Now what I'm going to do here is add the source of the list that I want to add it. So for example, I can add something like received or didn't or not yet, something like that. So I click on OK. As you can see now, I have a drop down list. So here we go, received. Let me just fix this a little bit because I have edited it before. Let me just make the orientation fixed uh somehow like that. Okay, so here it goes. You can edit it so somewhere like that, put it in the middle, and so go on. You can go here, make it not yet, for example this guy got payment, so we click on here, received. Here he didn't get payment, we click on not received. So we can do this. You can actually keep doing it like all the way down, so received, 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 and so go on. So that's how you can actually edit or make your drop down list in Excel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.